wà nílé ọkọ ṣá ṣẹ́rí obìnrin tó bá fẹ́ advice obìnrin before you come outside come dey talk about woman say woman say.
wọ́n máa bù ẹ́ wìtìwìtì ẹnu ẹ tó fẹ̀ gbogbo bèbí yẹn ẹlẹ́nu fífẹ̀ bí gba wàrà.
ẹ tún káàbọ̀ padà sórí ìkànnì Gist Entertainment TV lẹ́nìí àtúntì kóòdé ò bá àti máa ń kóòdé Portable ọmọ Lálọ́mí Wahala musician tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ fresh Wahala pẹ̀lú Laide Bakare tóun náà jẹ́ gbajúgbajà òǹṣeré Nollywood theatre nílẹ̀ wa Nàìjíríà. Wahala tí Portable ọmọ Lálọ́mí tó ń bá Laide Bakare fà ń ló dá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí Laide Bakare tó sọ sí àwọn ọmọ Shagala tí wọ́n lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ní ìlú àràbù nílùú Libya. Ìyẹn àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà lẹ̀ wá ń bíbà yìí ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ní ilẹ̀ àràbù bíi Mali, Libya, Cairo nǹkan tí wọ́n lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ níbẹ̀. Èyí ni Laide Bakare tó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kòbákùngbé sí wọn wípé ẹ ṣe wá fi Nàìjíríà lẹ̀ tẹ́ lọ máa ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ nílùú Mali, kí ló dé gan, kí ló fà á ni gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ni wọ́n ti wá ń jáde tí wọ́n ti ń kó fún Laide Bakare including Portable ọmọ Lálọ́mí. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Shagala náà wọ́n ti wá ń jáde wọ́n ti ń túyàyà tí wọ́n kó fún Laide Bakare wípé ó jẹ́ gbẹ́nu rẹ̀ sàn. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́rọ̀ kì í máa sábà dùn lẹ́nu tèmi sẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ wìnìwìnì nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ má gbàgbé ẹ máa bá ń kílìkì lórí subscribe button, ẹ bá ń like ẹ bá ń share kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ rí dájú pé drop comment yín sábẹ́ comment section fídíò yìí. Ó yá ẹ tún jẹ́ ń gbé yín débẹ̀.
Hello Aunty Laide Bakare irọ́ lẹ pa o that one wey you talk no be true o say work dey Nigeria where you see work ibo ni okay work dey Nigeria na you japa for Nigeria ṣẹ́ẹ̀ṣì wà nílé ọkọ ṣá ṣẹ́ẹ̀rí obìnrin tó bá fẹ́ advice obìnrin before you come outside come dey talk about woman say woman say toto say woman dey go dey say under arabo say woman go Libya woman do this woman dey try let me tell you something wá ní Nàìjíríà ìbò jẹ̀jẹ̀ àwa lọ́lọ́run fún ní adé orí ká máa ṣe adé orí yín ìyẹn ẹ̀yin obìnrin bọ̀ lọ́rùn tẹ́ bá ti tráfù lọ́wọ́ ti ya ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀ jápa wíṣẹ́s Aunty Laide ṣe wà nílé ọkọ wọn tú òjú pé àwọn àbúrò yín ẹ̀jẹ̀ òkú àwọn àbúrò yín tó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ kó ṣe gbé yẹn ló lọ ṣe olóṣó ní Libya náà ọ̀rẹ́dẹ̀hùn yìí kó sọ díẹ̀ di ṣáláńgá ó di tiẹ̀ ní Libya báwọn kan lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ọlọ́mọjà pàdé àgbàkó náà àwọn kan lọ pàdé oríire dẹ̀ǹṣe àti múnátì Libya Aunty Laide sẹ́yìn náà lọ Libya rè nílẹ̀ tí mọ̀ kán tó ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ yẹn you don do am before sẹ́yìn náà ti láàdì àràbò rí ni lẹ́sìn mọ̀ kán tó ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ sẹ́yìn náà sì Nàìjíríà dẹ̀ǹṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n pé wọ́n pààyàn ní Benue ọ̀rọ̀ Benue ló ń sọ lọ́wọ́ ẹjọ́ tó Ọlọ́run o they keep people for Benue you know see that one sẹ́ẹ̀rì fíìmù drop ni àti fíìmù ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe o Aunty Laide ọ̀rọ̀ Libya táwọn ọmọ Libya bá ṣiṣẹ́ pè pa yín.
Laide Bakare báwo ni báwo lọjà àbúrò Fatai ó dẹ̀ ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé àmọ̀ tán ẹ àmọ́ bí tó gbé mu ṣì náà ṣe bá àbúrò Fatai ni ẹ ṣebí rúùmù kan ni dádì ẹ gbà ilé kẹta níbi tó ti ń pọnmi tẹ́ ti ń pọnmi ilé bàbá yúyù ṣó ti gbàgbé ni ìwọ tó ń gbé ní face me and slap you Ọlọ́run wá rún ẹ lọ́wọ́ tán ó wá fẹ́ máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé Ọlọ́run wà lẹ́yìn ẹ ẹnu ẹ fífẹ̀ bóbo wèrè yẹn ṣí gidi ṣebí nọ́mbà 43 post office road nílé yín ní Mushin ibẹ̀ ni ìyá mi gbé náà ìgbà owó ní fíìmù industry tán wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé Ọlọ́run wà lẹ́yìn ẹ ó wá fẹ́ fi àwọn Shagala fẹ́ fi wọ́n máa trend ṣọ́tọ̀ owó lọ́wọ́ yẹ ẹ ni àwọn mélòó gan ló bọ́ nínú fámìlì ẹ ṣebí bàbá ẹ gáìgáì ló ń ṣe ọmọ ògbóró ní bàbá ẹ náà ó ti gbàgbé ni ó fún yẹ ẹ lóyún ni náà yes àwa mú ẹ dáadáa ni ìwọ ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ ó ti gbàgbé ni Mushin ló gbé náà ó wá kó lọ sí island tán ó wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ UK ló wà Amẹ́ríkà ló wà pẹ̀lẹ́ òun sùn òun jí níbi tó wà yẹn ni ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ ó ṣe falafolo ó fẹ́ fi àwọn ọmọ Shagala ó fẹ́ fi wọ́n trend ìwọ àti tani níbo síbo lásìbo wọ́n máa bù ẹ́ wìtìwìtì ẹnu ẹ tó fẹ̀ gbogbo bèbí yẹn ẹlẹ́nu fífẹ̀ bí gba wàrà kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́ ó lọ farabalẹ̀ wo wọ́n máa yẹ̀yẹ́ wọ́n á gbé díẹ̀ síta wọ́n á já ẹ sí wòwò wọ́n á yẹ̀yẹ́ àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ Fatai mo mọ ibi tó ti ń jẹun ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ Fatai Bakare mo mọ ibi tó ti ń jẹun àbúrò Fatai kọ́ ni ẹni. ó wá ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ó fẹ́ fi àwọn tó lọ ṣe housemaid ó fẹ́ fi wọ́n trend èèyàn mélòó ni wọ́n lè fún lówó èèyàn mélòó ló lè fún lówó ó ò lè pín wọn $1 million fún àwọn èèyàn 50 ọ̀hún bí ẹ̀dá ó wá gbọ́ síta ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn wo ló ń wò ẹ́ àwọn wo ló ń fún ẹ ní views àwọn wo ló ń comment sọ́dà fídíò ẹ̀ àwọn wèrè wo gan ni wọn ò níṣẹ́ wá tó bá wá fún wa a máa jáde tì yálà ya ẹ ni o mo ń gbé gbogbo yín débẹ̀ ọmọ Mushin ni o number 42 ní post office road ló ń gbé ní Mushin bọ́ síta kó wá sọ pé mo parọ́ pé mi ìmọ̀ ẹ rúùmù kan ni bàbá ẹ gbà ṣé flat ni bàbá ẹ gbà ń gbà yẹn ni ṣebí yẹ náà wá ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ Mushin gbà yẹn ni bàbá ẹ dolóyún tó bí ẹ ó máa gbọ́rọ̀ o mo rí pé ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ ni ẹ o ọmọ ọ̀sán dẹ̀ ni ẹ ó máa gbọ́rọ̀ gidi gan èmi ò rán èmi ò rán àwọn tó ní ẹ tó bá lówó ẹ lọ́wọ́ iye àti bàbá ẹ ló máa fi bọ́ o dẹ̀ bọ́ anybody ìwọ fún ara ẹ o sí yòó yes o yóò náà ṣo lè ra mọ́tò 100 million ni o sí yòó kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́ tó ń ṣe falafolo lọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó ṣe lọ́jọ́ sí wọ́n padà tẹríba ni a máa lé ẹ kúrò lórí black app yìí wà láìtàláì àwọn ò lè ṣaṣẹ́wó ni àwọn tó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ housemaid tó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ nílùú àràbù wọn ò lè ṣaṣẹ́wó ni wọn ò lè ṣe ránṣì lọ́ṣe lọ síbẹ̀ wọn ò lè fòbò wọn máa ṣe falafolo wọn ò lè tòbò ní à ń ṣe tòbò jẹun bẹ̀ and mind you iṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe bẹ̀ wọn ò ṣaṣẹ́wó ń bẹ̀ wo àpọ̀jù ẹ lọ bí èèrà la ṣe rí tí èèrà bá bo ṣúgà ọmọ bó ṣe rí a máa bu ẹ ìwọ tó dàbí ṣìgìdì yìí ó ya wèrè ni ta ni ẹ ó máa ṣòfò ó máa rámáyé lójú ni ó ní ṣoríire Ògúnláka yóò ṣùwọ̀n lè ló máa pa ẹ́ ó ya wèrè ni arábẹ́ pa ẹ́ ni ó ní ṣoríire ó ya wèrè àwọn tó bá ń fún lówó tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ń gbé báàgì àwọn ẹni ló bá máa bẹ̀rù àwọn tó ń bọ́ àwọn ló bá máa bọ́ ẹ bí ọba ó ya wèrè ni ó ṣìyèrè ni ẹnu ẹ tó fẹ̀ bí gba wàrà yẹn ó ya wèrè oní wọ́n gba 100,000 wọ́n gba 50,000 ìwọ fún ara ẹ housemaid yẹn èló ló ń fún kí ni problem ẹ àwọn tó rún ẹ wá ó lọ padà sọ fún wọn pé ó ti jábọ́ lẹ́yìn mọ́tò kí ló ń ṣe ẹ àwa ní extra tire tá ń lò ìwọ ò lè extra tire àwa ní extra tire tá ń lò ó wà nílẹ̀ bí iyẹ̀pẹ̀ ó wà nílẹ̀ gan a máa bù ẹ bí èèrà láyé ẹ ò ní ṣe wú ẹ mọ́ mo rò pé ó fẹ́ ṣòfò tọmọtọmọ ó ní ṣoríire àwọn ọmọ ẹ ló rò pé ó ń bá wí ni àwọn tó ń fún ní 50,000 100,000 10,000 20,000 tó ń ṣe yes ma ó rò pé àwọn olówó ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ ni ó ń ṣiyèrè kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́ ó jẹ́ lọ forí ara ẹ̀ pamọ́ tó bá bẹ́ ànábì abẹ́ ẹ̀ pa abó ya wèrè ọmọ yẹ́ ẹ̀ ló pè wọ́n àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀ ní abọ́mọ bàbá ẹ̀ ló pè wọ́n ni tí wèrè bá wà lórí ẹ̀ tó bá bí ẹ sí Mushin Èbúté Mẹ́ta lọ bí èmi sí o bí ẹ da o lọ sí Europe country ìlú bàbá àti ìlú yẹ ẹ níbẹ̀ yẹn tó lọ yẹn ó ṣe jókòó sí Nàìjíríà ó ní ṣàwọn tó da jẹ ó ní ṣoríire ó ní pẹ́ láyé ara máa pa ẹ̀ ní ó máa ṣubú dànù ní ó ya wèrè.
About child trafficking, human trafficking, not even child, because most of the stories I found out about are stories of young adults and adults and very grown-up people. So this is the question, and this is my worry. Number one worry is that no, these people know what they are actually going for, and they went there intentionally, on purpose, for greener pasture. Emma, but don't scroll, don't scroll. Important information one, no, because I'm so fun. Now, Emma, they go carry. Okay, make I speak pidgin so that I don't have to be either Yoruba or English, but make I talk for pidgin so that I go stay in between. So for Nigeria, when I go carry your bag, go America, not America. Sorry, America says go see me, Lori. When I go carry your bag, go Libya. go Egypt, go Mali, go Cairo, go, you know, all these other African countries. So now, if you convert the money to one solo share for housekeeping, most especially, I think most people that travels there is majorly for housekeeping. Because maybe 100,000 naira Nigerian money, which some of the stories in Nigerian money. Now, it will be journey Bushimalo, Emma Sahara, Emma Babitu, Emma being Okada, Oma being swamp, Oma being Giju. Go, I don't speak Yoruba. Then go, no, sorry, I'll be Yoruba person, so Yoruba will be much more to communicate this kind of communication. But I bet allow me make a mix up because I'm not used to pidgin as well. I'm not used to it. It's either my language, it's my native language, or English. So I'm not really used to pidgin, but make I try them. Then go carry una through Sahara, carry una through dangerous bush, dangerous desert area. When I go reach there, now go they pay you salary of 100k, 50k when you convert them to Nigeria for domestic job. Because I actually saw some people that are happy. I saw a lady. I think that's our story inspired me to make this video. She's so plain. She's a very beautiful lady, and she's so plain about what she does. She's so proud, and she mentioned something that actually makes me think about what is going on. She said that she is happy doing what she's doing because which country is the lady day? Maybe Mali or one Arab country, maybe Dubai or Qatar or somewhere. Or I think Iraq. Or Afghanistan. Nigeria, Iraq, Afghanistan, war zone. Just because Nigeria. Let me give you one very important example. I'm very serious right here. You know, I was hiring a point. There will be a point in time you need to hire domestic staffs. Like, you know, housemaid, to people that will do your laundry, that will do domestic. Let's put it that way. Like, don't let's go. So I figured out we want to laju. Most of them want to in fact, from phone call like this, they will ask you, how many children do you have? They will ask you to interview you that you want to hire them. You want to pay them every month. They will be questioning you on the phone. They want to know what size there. Okay, let me give you one very shocking revelation. At a point, I decided that I won't be, hiring and putting domestic staff in my house like that. I live in Lekki. My mom stays on the island, on the mainland. Mainland. If you know Bakare Clåshës is in Mushin, so mainland. So I said, okay, but first of all, mom see me to study their character, so that before I bring them to my house. So I'll make this video short. One or two or three of them that I sent to Mushin. That's my father's house. That's my family house. And my mom is very nice. She will cook good food. My mother can cook. She will cook good food. She's elderly now. We are celebrating her birthday soon. Our 60th birthday, we are celebrating his son. So most of the time, I send them to my mom's place for, let them work there for some time so that my mom will now recommend. Because, if the moment someone comes into my home, I find it difficult to push out the person. I really want to let go because I just get used to the person. Anyway, cut long story short. Do you know, domestic staff, they will tell you, I can't work on the mainland. I can only work in Lekki. So, stop that. I said, my worry, no problem. I'm not hiring. Because okay, you only want to work in Lekki, you can't work in the mainland. These people, I'm telling you, they can't even stay 2-3 days in the mainland. But they are comfortable to quickly come to your house, bombard your house in Lekki. I'm like, hello, so tell me about Lekki. Me get domestic staff in Yalobe. Now, secondly, they will now ask you, how many children do you have? What time they will be? And they are not in the association, they have association, only group Toma launch a meeting. So when to get to the meeting, they will even teach themselves. Oh, I'm speaking too much Yoruba. I don't. Sorry, but it's like my pidgin is not really. They know how they, they have groups. So they have meetings. They do meetings maybe twice every month. So and their boyfriends, they're always in that meeting, even girlfriends. So that is where they will say, they will prove that they are fighting for themselves, that they are looking after themselves. In that light, they will be they teach themselves different kind of criminal acts. Oh, when your madam know their house, take rice, take beans, do this, do that. At the end of the day, they know they last from one place. They will now be the shift from one house to the other just for domestic jobs. And you people, you feel so comfortable to carry on yourself from Nigeria, because I can't imagine Yorubas plenty where they live for all these countries. Say then they do domestic work for people who are for Arabo. They call them Arabu house. Want to toss in lorry, then go shit for una head. They will not pay you. You will be working. So you have sponsor, somebody that will sponsor you there, just because you are so egocentric. Those jobs that are available here in Nigeria, you cannot do it. You prefer to go to Arab country where they will treat you like animals. Nigerians. Anyway, thank God I'm beginning to have grown-ups. I don't need domestic staff. I'll be teaching my children. Oh yeah, when you wake up, lay bed, make your breakfast, do your thing by yourself. Me, America, let me show you. See, Sherry is very serene, it's very quiet, you do your things by yourself. Tẹ́bá mọ̀ yàtọ̀ ń jẹ ní gbogbo àwọn countries náà ti máa lọ ń ṣe domestic work, but lè ṣe ní Nàìjíríà, prefer kí yà lọ jẹ yín in another country. Wádìí ẹ máa ṣe báyìí pé mo ṣètò láti lo òyìnbó, mo ṣe mi. Please let me see your comments. Let me see your comment. Drop comment on that this post. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mi nígbà wo mo ṣì máa ṣe content lórí ẹ̀ gan. Prefer kó máa lo lóyìn bí animal ń bẹ̀ yẹn. But in Nigeria, Lekki nìkan lẹ ti fẹ́ dúró. If it's not Lekki, you can't stay anywhere. Plus Lekki lẹ ti fẹ́ dúró yẹn náà kò ṣe pé ẹ fẹ́ dúró. Bí 2-3 months lẹ máa ń plan. Ẹ máa ń ní plans yín. You see that 21-year-old, 30-year-old, 29, 25 tẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń bímọ yẹn. Àánú yín ṣe mí. Ẹ jẹ́ tètè gbà. It's all these people. What? Give me more stories. The reason why people prefer Ibenya to Nigeria lo. Give me more reasons. Kemalola, Mali, Libya, Qatar, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan. Because of pride. Just wait machine Nigeria. I prefer lo machine benye. Mama treat me be enoko. I need more stories beneath this video. I need more stories. This is weekend. Mo fẹ́ gbádùn mi.
Kúkúní ya wèrè, ó ti di woro sí woro, kojú sí koro. Laide Bakare versus àwọn ọmọ Shagala. Wọ́n bínú tán, wọ́n faraya, wọ́n ti ń kó fún Laide, wọ́n ti ẹ̀ Laide àpáàtì ni. Àti Portable wèrè olórin ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí. Èyí ga púpọ̀. Kí lẹ rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Ẹ drop comment yín sábẹ́ comment section video yìí. Ṣé èyí tí Laide Bakare sọ yìí ṣó pọ̀ jù náà àbí ò wá pọ̀ jù? Ẹ má